All right. It's morning.
Yeah, I just start off with a bunny nose. And then Nick moved my gear everywhere.
Let's go look at that.
Let's go look at that. He's already decorating for Christmas.
What do we got? We got a boot here. Boot down there.
And they're like, hey, do you see your jersey? I'm like, what? It took me like 10 minutes to find it. Come over here with me.
Dang, dude. How'd it get way up there?
I don't know, you must have.
What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Pants up there?
Oh, there's my pants.
So how'd you sleep?
I slept really good.
You forget to shave?
Yeah. I'm still waking up.
I got Swiss cheese, cheddar cheese, provolone cheese, pepper jack cheese, Ritz crackers.
That's our crack. That's our whole.
And is that
bread.
the only thing in the cooler?
Yep, brought a whole cooler for my cheese platter.
But I put my.
Nick, do you think those are gonna swim shorts are gonna stay on your
I
backpack?
don't know. I hope so. If not, I'm gonna have to go skinny dipping. So,
Cohen,
See that?
what's the setup here today?
You know, putting my hat in my hydration pack, Gold Creek Lodge.
Can we get a picture real quick? Just no with the hat.
Oh,
Yep. Let's get a thumbs up. So Jake, you're leaving today to go chase the B-Class championship.
Yeah, I'm going down to Tri-Cities to race tomorrow and Sunday, and hopefully I'll be back up here Sunday again to camp. We'll see how I'm feeling after the race.
More of those bad boys you got.
This is good. Okay, before we hit Mine Hill, we got to cheese up. So, what is our selection here today?
so if you look right here, first option is aged cheddar. Wonder how long it was aged for. Next one is some Swiss cheese. I can tell because it has a hole in it. Next cheese is creamy Harvati. And our last option is Dutch Gouda.
Oh, dang.
I think I'm taking the Gouda for this cracker. Hey! Now you gotta eat it.
victory. What are we going to do?
Gonna go to Mine Hill soon. Hopefully.
We're up and raring this morning.
Dude, it's like super exciting.
We just do so much, we're recuperating.
Would you like to explain why the Yama Dog's out of commission? Well, it's not out of commission, but why it's laying down.
My front brake caliper has been relocated.
So just an update, that is broken. I took it off. Front brake caliper is currently sitting in my bag. Jake?
Yeah.
What has happened?
The Mine Hill conditions are not great. There's water ruts.
It's looking pretty gnarly.
gotten washed down. So, yeah, all the rock is exposed at the top, making it steeper. But that's all to report for now.
Our boy Nick, he didn't make it, sadly.
Oh my word. Go up and fly right by him.
I don't know how he's gonna get his bike down. Oh, it's going, it's going. Poor Nick. Get him, Jake! Oh, he's going all the way! Nick, dude, you need like higher RPMs. I know. Dude, oh, that's good. Oh my gosh. Dude, you about looped it. Okay, maybe call it a day. Oh. Watch out, Jake. That was so lucky. Nothing can stop Jake.
How did it not catch?
That wasn't bad.
Okay, give us a quick recap.
I had to take my whole brake caliper off,
Which one?
and I broke the gas jugs on my bike.
Specify
Okay,
front
come over
or
here.
rear?
We gotta get some visuals on this. Right off the bat, just the brake caliper malfunctioned, and so I just took it off.
Dang.
So, and we're missing it. It broke the aluminum. It wasn't even a screw. Come get a close up. Look at this.
Dang.
So that was
Shoot it.
that.
Dang, you sponsored by FMF?
Yeah, I mean, they just wanted me to put stickers
Dang,
everywhere.
dude, stickers
And we got
everywhere.
one here.
Handlebars. Other side.
That's
Oh, number plate.
yeah.
Dang.
What do you have to say?
Day 2 up here. It's going pretty good. Made it up the lakeside pretty well. I kicked a rock down there and it kind of hurt, but I don't know. It's a good time.
Oh, we already talked to you. Okay, Trey.
What?
In the sun hat, the sun bleached
This is a
bucket hat. Sorry.
This thing's seen a
Can
mile
you
or two.
put my pants? What do you got to say?
It's been a good day. This is first year we actually went down to the lake. So we went down the main side that we went up, and then basically went to Mine Hill, and then proceeded to just go hang out at the lake the whole time. It was pretty nice. Not gonna lie.
All right, Coleman.
What's my question?
Do you have to have a question?
When are you going to get another haircut?
Well, I got a haircut like a week ago, so
I think your barber forgot to cut your hair.
maybe next summer.
Hey, hold on. I got a bug on me.
Maybe next summer I'll get another haircut. My one haircut a year, you know. Grow it out for the winter. I think I'll do that.
Redbud!
Hey. Don't do that. Okay, pull it tight now. Get out of your hammock and pull it tight.
Okay, we're by the fire. What do you guys got to say about last night and the morning?
I was sleeping pretty good until someone dropped my hammock down, and then I wasn't sleeping any good.
It was entertaining to listen to.
Anthony, what we got going on over here?
I'm doing the dishes.
Oh.
Nah, it's pretty clean.
All right, Owen.
Hi.
What do you got?
Well, I woke up this morning to being on the ground by someone. So that was neat, but it was a lot warmer down there, so I think it would be better. It was better.
Austin, what do you got?
Starting to pack up now. Woke up about 8 o'clock. Slept pretty good. Anthony was screwing with everybody's hammock, but it didn't bother me. I just kind of slept through it. So, yeah, overall, it's been a pretty good morning. So we'll see how the day goes.
Yeah, my name's Nick. My morning was good.
That's like a second.
It was really good.
My
Got
morning
some
was
wood.
good. Morning
Been
good.
eating lots of food.
Morning good.
Yeah, I ain't got much to say.
Morning,
I took
morning,
2
good.
poops yesterday. Yeah, that's it. Peace.
Changing my head.
All right, Anthony, so what do we got going on here?
We're oh, look at that.
Quick to make.
Toss it over. Oh. Let me get that for you.
Now I just gotta figure out how much gas I'm gonna put in.
I got some of this too.
Well, just look at
Just
what it
mix
is.
the smallest amount.
I'm at like
Look.
3.2.
Mixer rich.
Yes, sir.
Mixing that thing like 26 to 1.
Coleman, what are you doing over there?
Well, you know, me being a big mechanic guy, just check my oil, doing a quick oil change before we get on the trail again.
So tell us, like, where's your oil going?
Top speed.
Where's your oil
To
going?
be honest, I don't even know how to get this cap off.
Just pull up. Pull, nope. Just pull up. Jeez Louise. Pull
Like
that.
that?
Yeah, pull up.
Oh, check that out. This is kinda fancy.
Apparently,
So-
when I asked you, do you know how to change your own oil? You don't.
If you walk over to the other side of the bike, you can see where my oil's draining from.
Yeah, let's check this out. Ooh.
That's a lot of oil.
Oh, focus.
All right, now if you come back to this side, I'll show you how to
Also
pour
leaking
it.
out of the valve cover.
Well, that happens all
All right,
the
let's
time.
commit to the pour.
Every
Ready?
PM, valve
I'm not
cover
sure
got
how
one.
much oil goes in these things, but we're gonna give it a couple Mississippis.
Mine did.
Tell me when it starts pouring. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi.
I'm so thankful.
Check the window.
It's gonna take more than that.
All right, we're back over here.
It'll be a little rich.
That's better than
Blowing it out.
But
You wanna get a close up on this?
Dang.
but they did dump it like they only call.
I think it's 1.8.
All right, let's get this thing filled up.
Less than 0.8 gallons in there.
I'm on the way.
Oh, oh. Keep going, keep going. More. Whoa! A little bit more.
That's about right. Got our first contestant. Oh man, here comes everyone else.
What are you doing, bud?
Going ham.
Ow! That's the same thumb I just hit. We made it. So finally got the hammock setup done. We're a little bit up here.
Hey.
We got Nick. Trey's camping down there. Owen's over there. Coleman, he can't even get in his because it's so tight.
No, I loosened it. We should be good now.
Yeah. He did not get back up either.
So for reference, Anthony, how tall are you?
5'11", 3/4.
Call it 6 foot for good measure. Anthony's hammock is almost twice as tall as.
All right, start the ascent.
How did I get up there first time?
You climbed right up the middle.
Did I go up the middle?
Yeah.
Probably not right now.
Shit.
I was tucking my.